this is e-owner application. So you can suppose that if you are not available in front of the system, and you want to check like what is going in your business right now, how many sale it will done, purchase, receipt, and how many salesmen doing order activity, collection activity. So basically that is the e-owner application. So how to install this application, I will tell you first. Just go in Play Store option and search e-owner app. That application available from iOS and Android, both platform. That application is available. So simply you have to install this application, e-owner management application, in mobile. After creating like user ID, password, if you will be logging in the application, so that interface will be reflecting. That is the home screen. So suppose that if you provided like target to your salesperson, so you can check his activity as well, like what is the target versus achievement. If you want to check, so you can check it in e-owner application as well. Monthly that report will be reflecting. And if you want to check another salesperson, you can check it as well. And apart from this, that is the home screen. Two options like clickable: outstanding receivable, outstanding payable. So both customer will be reflecting here. And outstanding, if you want to check, so bill wise you can check. And if you want to share it by WhatsApp, by mail, so you can share it as well. And apart from this, outstanding receivable parties is also reflecting in your e-owner application. So whatever customer you want to pay, so that is the outstanding receivable customers. And four options is also reflecting in bottom. That is the yearly data is reflecting in bottom. Sale like total sale, purchase, receipt, and bank balance. And if you will check in the bottom now, like few options will be appear. First option is like home screen, and second option is like e-business. Suppose that if your salesperson doing order activity, payment activity, so you can check his activity, like filter out, you can filter out like today how many like order he will did, right? So today like 2 orders you received. And if you want to check like collections also, so you can check like collection as well. So this window will be appear. And if you want to check like salesman activity, so salesman activity you can also check for this window. That is hand to hand like updated. Okay, after that, if you want to check like order wise tracking is also there. Suppose that your salesperson going in field, and you want to check like from where he is doing like order activity. Basically that is order wise activity. If order will be done, then location will be tracked. So if he will be go this option now, list like GPS tracking and map view option, so his location will be appear. See, if I click on the red point, so party name, what is the date and time, and his proper location is also updated. So after that, there is third option is like BI option. In BI option you can check daily sale, purchase, receipt, and that option is available in BI option. First of all, first window is like overview dashboard. If you want to compare, like so many filters is there, like last week, this year, okay, this month. And if you want to check like date wise, so date wise option is also there. Suppose that if I want to check like this year data, how many sale like comparison if you want to do this year, so you can do the comparison as well. Like what is the current month sale, last month sale, okay, and that is the current month purchase and current month purchase and last month purchase. And if any order is pending in your list, so that count is also appear. 60 days and 70 days, how many days like outstanding will be pending, like 30 days outstanding and 90 plus days outstanding. That is the expiry bucket, like how many expired amount, expiry thing you have, reorder and dump stock, and total stock value is also updated. Customer option, how many customer is there, and cash balance is also appear. Apart from this, I will tell you how to check like sales in your mobile. Just go in this option and select suppose that this year and apply the changes. Then 31 bill I just created in my ERP, and that is the total amount. And if you scroll down now from the bottom, so bill number, date, invoice, party name, cash, credit, and amount is also there. If you want to download this file in CSV, TSV, and Excel, so that thing is also there. And if I'm talking about like purchase, so you can check purchase as well. Suppose that not last this year, and apply the changes. How many receipt I receive in my system, so that total amount and what is the voucher ID, date, party name, and amount is also appear. And if you want to download, you can download as well. And same thing as like purchase also. Last year if I select, so 7 is there, and that is the purchase amount total, and bill number, date, purchase, party name, credit, and amount. If you want to download this file in CSV, so you can also do that. Apart from this, suppose that if you want to check report, stock report, outstanding report, so if you will be clicking on stock status, so item is also appear. And what is the difference? Basically, so many customer is asking what is the difference between salesman application and order application, owner application. So in salesman application you can check purchase rate, but in if I'm talking about like in owner application, so you can check purchase rate as well. And A rate, B rate, C rate is also appear. Apart from this, outstanding I already told you in the home screen. And temporary limit, if you want to set like credit limit, rate, scheme, so that thing is also there. If you applicable in application na, so automatically applicable in system also. And financial report, cash and bank amount, trial, your balance sheet is there, debtors customer amount and total amount reflecting in bottom, creditor amount is also there. So that is the basically e-owner application. That is only for visibility. You can't do any like activity over there, but you can check your business activity, like what is going in your business basically this time. So that is the e-owner application.